Hello, hello, hello. Happy Saturday, everybody. It's a 3-day weekend. Before I get started with this video, I want to thank everybody for supporting me. If you give me that thumbs up on your way in, leave your comments and leave a genuine comment in the box. If you can help me get to this 4,000 watch hours by running my playlist, they are on my home screen, on my home page, so you don't have to go searching for them. Just don't loop the videos or play it too fast because YouTube has cracked down on that and they won't give the credit. Um, Also, if you can watch my videos all the way through, I greatly appreciate it. So I could get these watch hours in. And so, with that being said, we have here some Barros pizza and wings. I have a white pizza with extra cheese and one honey barbecue wing and two mild wings. So hopefully I get my screenshot. Y'all know, got to have that Sprite extra ice. Got my ranch here. So hopefully everybody had a great Saturday. It was quite boring to me. I don't know. Normally, the last couple of Saturdays I've been busy because I've been doing LuLaRoe. If anybody is interested in seeing some of my LuLaRoe pieces, just hit me up. Let me know in the comment box if you're interested. Holidays is coming up. Got a few pretty dresses left. Some nice skirts. So last Friday was my son's, probably already said this. I don't know why they put these big chunks of cheese on there. They'll just be falling off. Look at that. But last Friday was his last high school football game. For those of you that don't know, he's a senior. So that was basketball season. I believe their first game is on November 22nd. It's actually a scrimmage. Hopefully they got a good team. Of course, my son plays varsity basketball. We will be in the next couple of weeks be going on our official visits to some more schools. Anybody ready for Thanksgiving? This year has went by so quick. It's not even funny. Christmas is gonna be here soon. I got some jewelry pieces up for anybody who wants to find some gift giving ideas. The place that I got them from also has other stuff. It's like HS and QVC. I think they just have better quality. My bracelet. I absolutely love it. Love it, love it. Haven't worn the ring out yet. Because I've been in the house. I did get this ring off to try it on. It was too big. So I don't can wear it on these two fingers. And it fell on my thumb too, but I won't wear it on my thumb. So what's been going on in the news? Have anybody seen The Masked Singer? They made me mad this week. I'm ready to see who is everybody. I think the flamingo is Patti LaBelle. I haven't seen the tree sing because I missed some of it. But the flamingo is either Patti LaBelle or Fantasia, because you could tell how they're trying to hide their voice. Patti has a very distinct voice, and she can't hide it. If she tried to, just like Gladys Knight, everybody knew that was her, because she has a very distinct voice. And when the flamingo sung, the judges even said it is somebody that has a distinct voice, because you can tell they're trying to not sing in their normal voice. They're trying to disguise it. But I think to me it sounded like Patti. But when I went on Twitter, a lot of people were saying the tree sounded like Patti. I don't know if y'all been watching 911. It's been good so far. Angela Bassett, I love her. She is such a great actress. And I like that every show is a different subject, but kind of still hitting on some a storyline that's been going on throughout the season. Then they'll clear up one storyline and go to another, but still have new, fresh storyline going for that episode. I think they're coming out with a 911 spinoff of Another City. It's probably going to come on after this one goes off. I'm not really interested so much in Empire. To me, it just seemed like they just threw together the last season and killing off everybody. Y'all want a bite? They put these big pieces of ricotta cheese on here. I don't really like ricotta cheese. But yeah, to me it just seemed like half of the people that was original cast is not showing up. I think I ate too fast. My stomach is getting upset. I always say that when I eat. Of course, the one guy who was got in trouble for making allegedly false gay bashing allegations, he got fired. Hakeem was on the first couple of episodes, but this last week's episode, he wasn't on. And they keep showing clips of 9 months later, 10 months later, with Cookie and Lucius getting killed, which is not interesting to me. I hope they continue with Star, though. That was pretty good. or maybe they held off because it was already another probably more popular show that was coming on in place of Star, and plus this was Empire's last season. So Star may be Lee Daniels' only show that maybe he's holding on to. And it may start in like April or March. Who knows? But yeah, I think he just threw this last little season together, being that it was the last of it. Um, I still watch The Resident. I don't know, for some reason I haven't been too much into The Resident this season. I've been missing some episodes, but I go back and watch them because I DVR them. I think that's about it. I don't know. Anyway, I just wanted to chit chat with y'all for a minute while I, excuse me, eat. I do have some great videos coming up, or already posted. I don't know when I'm gonna upload this, but if you watch it until the end, like I said, I got a couple of jewelry videos up. I got cooking videos up. Just trying to give y'all different stuff that I'm into, but of course, you know, some of the stuff that I do, it costs money. So y'all might be seeing more food videos being I have to eat every night than anything else. But I'm almost at 3,000 watch hours, so I'm coming in. I'm coming in. Hopefully by tomorrow I will be at 2,900 or over 2,900, because YouTube they be tripping. They only gave me 17 hours yesterday. Well, for today. And the past couple of days, they've been giving me 19 to 20. So anyway, y'all have a great weekend. Enjoy your Veterans Day. Oh, your veterans, thank you for your service. And till next time, peace.